In this video, you're gonna get a fair review of Crane Beach. Alex, how was Crane Beach on a scale from 1 to 5? I mean, that's not a fair review. So far it's been very average. We've flown the drone a bit. Let's see what comes next. We're going straight there. Let's walk on the beach. We are near Ipswich in Massachusetts and it's mid-April. We were not ready at all for a day like this one. We all came with a year of hiking and then apparently everyone's taking the sun at the beach because it's a hot day. I'm here with Nico, Alex, with Josie. Josie, say hi. She says hi. And Ruth is there behind.
So just let's walk and enjoy the day.
Our trail opens to the right. That's what our guide said.
And we are ready to go to find where our souls belong to.
Oh, this is not a hike. This is terrible. We're like walking on sand. Alex, I'm very disappointed. You told people that this place was amazing.
I was reading the guidebooks. This was the #1 ranked hike in all of Massachusetts.
If you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about coming to Crane Beach. So if you want to go to a beach, it's okay. It's okay, but it's Massachusetts. So for Massachusetts, Sunset is really good. If you come here for hiking, I mean, look at this. This is really bad. This is a honest review. What do you think about this hike? Honest review. This hike is great.
Strongly disagree.
Strongly disagree. Josie understood it all. That's how you can hike. Show your beautiful feet to our audience.
I can show you my beautiful shoes.
Alex, what would you decide?
We're gonna take the red path, go to the beach right here. This is supposed to be the best spot for the beach in all of Massachusetts.
Who said that? This is a fair review video.
National Geographic for Massachusetts. When you get to the best part of the beach. We've been walking for 7.5 hours.
No way, this is a lie.
With no food, no water.
We had a lot of food. We walked maybe 40 minutes. We can finally see the sea again. It's right there. It's even worse than what it was before. Remember, this is a honest video review. We're not here just to get likes. We're not here to tell you this is amazing. We're here to tell you it is what it is. No one's around. Ooh. 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 Feels mushy. I don't like mushy.
Feel very good on the feet.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
We're done at the second beach. We've done some good FPV drone. That was my first time flying, so yeah, I know the video is not great. Also, we also flew on top of someone and almost crashed it, but no, I didn't crash it this time. I crashed it in the Moab video, which I'm gonna link here, so make sure to check that video. They're all laughing at me.
You want some water?
I do. Oh yes! Celebrate.
What? I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything.
I should just walk like la,
Just smile.
Oh.
The barefoot walkers are having some troubles. Josie, tell us about your troubles. What's going on?
I'm fine.
He's walking like he's having troubles too.
Walking barefoot is much better.
Someone changed their mind and look who's the winner.
Seems no matter how much I shake the shoe, there's more sand. Oh.
We started walking in this forest and I must say this is slightly above average. What do you think, Alex?
10.1 out of 11.
We are tired. We want to go home. We want to have an ice cream. Do you guys want an oh, look what's written there. Let's go. Adios, bye-bye. And now the ice cream. Oh!
Yeah, something
This is a
with
small.
pistachio.
This is a small. What size did you get?
Small.
Small, and I
this
got
is
the
a
pint.
My ice cream is all gone, Enrico.
Still have a lot.
We're in the presence of the big cow, Josie. You see the cow there?
I see the cow.
It's gonna bless us for this excellent trip to Crane Beach.
What do you need to do now?
Give a like if you think that this was an average video, which is a fair representation of Crane Beach. Where is the like button, Josie?
It's right here.
No, the like button is down here. Josie, down there.
There is one more thing you need to do.
One more thing.
Subscribe to the channel.
Oh no, she already said it before.
Oh
I was like, subscribe.
Josie, where do they have to click if they want to subscribe?
Right here.
Let me come closer.
Okay.
That's the
You can
subscribe
click
button.
here, please.